What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another wrap vlog for the Joel's Driveway channel. This is a Nissan Gloria that I'm doing a interesting wrap on. More details on that later, but I just wanted to show you how cool this car was and kind of the little quirks that it has. It is right-hand drive. Y'all may remember my R33 that I had at the time. Very similar. This is big body, so a lot of wrap being used and very interesting design here. We are doing an embossing, so basically we lay that down first and then we wrap over it, and what we're using is 3M, no wait, that's Avery Diamond White, and we're gonna give this thing a nice kind of VIP shine here. But when the sun hits it, that design is gonna show through and it's gonna look really cool. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of the sides, and we're also going to do the hood, front bumper, and I believe the headlight bezels. But yeah, just an interesting one, another one of one. So hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully it comes out great. And this is for the Z lady, if you know her. And let's we're going to do the quarter panel here. Now I was trying to locate the fuel door. On Nissan Skylines, they're right there next to the seat there, but this one actually has it hidden. Oh, there it is right there. There you go. So we're gonna clean that up. See if this unbolts or unscrews. I see that it does, so we can remove it and then reinstall after we wrap it. And yeah, so on a Nissan Gloria, I think this is a 95, but they should be all similar. Your fuel door switch is right there. Little fun fact. But yes, we are working a long night tonight here at Ceramic Pro. Everybody's kind of gone for the day. Got some interesting models here. I will be doing a taillight tint and reflectors smoke on an upcoming day. And then we have the Aventador. You probably have seen that on the last channel. Wait, did I post that? I'm not sure if I posted that one, but this should help. There we go. Another nice looking car here. I love that color. Now we have a better look at this car. Very clean, and I will be working all night. Probably should light the lights on. So yeah, guys, I've been working nights here, working on the wrap. Hopefully get it done in a couple of days, God willing. And then we have more cars coming in for work, and I can't thank you guys enough. I love doing this stuff. So if you're looking for a wrap, you know where to go. All right, so it's like day 3 or 4. It's such a big car, and there's so much detail to it. We were able to take care of the bumper and a bit of the stripes. I should have had more knifeless tape, but those stripes require a lot of knifeless tape. I'm still not sold on it. She wanted the stripes. I think they came out okay. I don't know, I'll leave it up to your opinion. I am not very good at stripes, so I guess because I would love to have them perfect, but I know only a computer can do that, so I try to get them as close as possible, which I think I did okay. So there's a few more stripes to go down the front, and then we're going to take care of the headlight bezels, and this car will be done. So I hope she loves it. Her name is Sheila. And see, I got the first stripe down, but it's such a long car. It uses so much knifeless tape. So that's the way it's supposed to look. That's the back end. Back end looks great. I just ran out of knifeless tape. So as soon as that comes in tomorrow, we will finish this side and the hood and those headlights. But that wraps up a week's worth of progress. Today's Friday, and I think Front bumper came out very well. Without having to take stuff apart. Because with these older JDM cars, you don't want to start removing stuff because things break, old clips, brackets. It's just, you don't want to mess with it. So I did my best to wrap around every single area, light, door handle. That way, I mean, I'll show everything, all the details, even the bumper here. This was a fun bumper. There you go. No wrinkles there. Perfect cuts. Nice and clean tuck. Did not remove the taillights. Didn't have to. Again, you don't want to take stuff apart on this car. And I'm showing every angle, every edge. Even the doors. Door handles. You can kind of see the design there. Really cool. Around here. Which just requires inlays and stuff, but I'm very proud of it. It looks really good. I just wish I could finish it. I hate leaving a car almost finished. Better to be half finished, but almost finished, meaning I only have like an hour to finish this, and yet I can't. So wrapping up another day, and she's expecting this on Tuesday, which is great. Gives me a little extra time. So let's fast forward to the final day, tomorrow. I'll see you there. So this is the best part of the job, is when the car is complete and I can finally see the design in its entirety. And this thing is crazy looking. Definitely a Bentley-inspired style design, and I can admit, I'm still kind of iffy when it comes to stripes. I feel like there's better people at it than I am. So I did my best with the stripes that I could. I think it came out pretty well. And you tell me what you think. This is a Nissan Gloria, again, with a two-tone wrap. This is Avery Diamond White with GT Jesse designs embossing on the sides, which is kind of hard to see in the shop, but it'll show once it's outside. Front end was the, I don't want to say hardest part, just took more time. Little things like details and making sure everything was covered. Just trying to get the stripes right and bumper. But everything else I think came out well. Again, I am no pro at stripes, so I'm hoping she enjoys the look. Best thing about vinyl is if she doesn't like it, she could just peel them off. So there's that. And so we will fast forward to when she comes and picks this beauty up. Again, the thing with wrap is to get it as close to paint as possible. Obviously, it'll never replace paint, but just to get it from maybe 3 feet away to kind of fool the eye into believing that it is paint, that's what we want. The 3-foot test. Some people wrap cars just to pass the 10-foot test or the highway test. I like for people to come up close to the car, see the edges, see the spots, see the, corners, make sure they're all perfect. That's my goal, and I think I achieved it on this one. If you see this car at a show, which I'm pretty sure you will, let me know what you think of the new wrap. If I screwed it up, if I screwed this car up, if I messed it up, or if my work is bad, or if you think I could have done better, I'm free to criticism. If you think I did a good job, definitely let me know as well. It feels good to hear those words too, and motivates me to keep going. But I'll wrap up today. I got a Jeep to work on, so I'm gonna go do that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. No wait, don't go nowhere. Here's the reaction video. Boom. Action.
Oh!